Access and navigate your student financial aid portal. From PeopleSoft Campus Solutions, select the Student Homepage tile, then select the Financial Aid tile. Under View Financial Aid, select Aid Year 2027. This will bring you into the Oracle SFA Student Portal.
You may see this login screen. Be sure to select the Student Login button at the very bottom of the page. Then use your regular Boise State information to finish logging in to the student portal. If this is your first time logging into the portal, review the Accept Electronic Consent and click Accept and Continue.
Welcome to the Student Financial Aid SFA Student Portal. Here, you can click on the Documents tab to upload any documents requiring attention with the Upload icon. Fill in any required information and submit your documents directly at this page. You can also navigate to see notifications,
your financial information and details about your awards,
or any messages. And if you'd like to view profile information, select the person icon and click Profile in the top right. If you have any questions about your Student Financial Aid portal, please reach out to Financial Aid.